Hey, welcome to the channel and test your English grammar. Neither of them dash happy. What will come here? Is it option A or is it option B or is it option D? So before giving you the answer of this question, let me give you some basic point. Look at here. After neither of, we can use either plural noun or plural pronoun. Then we can use either singular verb or plural verb. Basically, in formal style, after neither of, we use singular verb, and in case of informal speaking, we use plural verb, right? In formal style, we use singular verb, but in informal speaking, we will use plural verb. So now come to here. So we is a singular be verb and are is plural be verb. So we can use these two. So the answer will be D, both A and B. Neither of them is happy or neither of them are happy. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.